Taylor Swift said on Instagram that she would be for Harris. So, it's been a crazy-ass week. We have another presidential debate. We have Haitians in Ohio eating cats and dogs.
They're eating the cats.
And yet we still feel the overwhelming urge to mention Taylor Swift in the conversation.
And there goes Taylor Swift.
So, what the hell is going on in Ohio? So this random YouTuber, just watched this video, don't know his name, went to Springfield, Ohio, and he asked all the locals and the Haitians within the area if there's been any cases of cat eating and whatnot.
I don't know. No.
We've lost a whole bunch of cats. There was a van pulled over that had over 100 cats in it with the Haitians. They said they was eating them.
Actually,
Haïtien vini ici pour travail, mais manger chat, non.
And what was discovered was if there are any cases of cat killing and eating, it's on the lesser side rather than the more side. But there are definitely cases of Haitians going into parks and killing and eating geese. Listen to this phone call report.
Clark County Communications.
Oh, yes, ma'am. I got a question. This is a non-emergency line, correct?
Yes, it is.
Okay. I'm sitting here. I'm riding on the trail going to my orientation for my job today. And I see a group of Haitian people. There was about 4 of them. They all had geese in their hand. They got away. I couldn't make out the first 3 of the license plate, but I got the numbers.
Anthony Harris, who is running for mayor in Springfield, Ohio, had this to say.
These Haitians are running into trash cans. They're running into buildings. They flipping cars in the middle of the street. They're in the park grabbing up ducks by their neck and cutting their head off and walking off with them and eating them like.
And if it isn't bad enough that they're eating all the geese from the parks and maybe eating all the cats, they're basically giving away driver's licenses to all these newly imported Haitians without any testing. That's like if 20,000 SpongeBob spawned out of nowhere and you gave each and every one of them a driver's license.
Turn this boat around immediately.
Right away, ma'am. Going to stop.
The U.S. is importing all of these Haitians and giving them all of this free money, yet they expect us to pay the taxes for it.
People care paid and everything. You know, it's bull.
Where are they getting the money?
The government. They said it's a fucking program for them to
For like migrants, like asylum seekers?
Yeah.
This isn't even a race issue. This has nothing to do with racism. This all has to do with America and its royal fuck-ups.